I'm Trace, see you again. Do you remember I made a brief introduction about how to make a punch in last video? Today I will show you more information about it. Please follow our monitor and I will bring you to a fantastic world. The beginning of making punches is finished by while EDM. Look, it's running now. We use it to cut high-speed steel raw material as needed length. It's very accuracy. Got it? Okay, let's start the next process. We are at the second producing process. This is our centrist grinder. He is using it to grind the diameter of punches as per drawing. Have you got it? The third process is to realize the angle of the top rod by CNC lathe machine. CNC lathe machine can run automatically after workers set up program, which it helps people to save time and do more works. This is our CNC lathe machine. It's running now. Do you have any idea of this process? Every preparation step is okay. We will start the most important process to grind the head type of punches by CNC grinder. We can make lobe punches, 12 angles punches and other special shaped punches by this machine. Their tolerance can be controlled between plus and minus 0.001. This is our CNC grinder. Look, it's running now. About this process, do you have any idea? The last process is to titanize like this punch with golden coating and with a longer lifetime. Before that, our QC staff will test dimensional size of punches and ensure everything is okay, or unqualified punches will be return polished again. Everything has been done. We will ship you these punches.